This has been requested multiple times, so here it is, the TKL budget build. As usual, everything was found on this online shopping website called Taobao. We'll be taking a look at the TY87. This kit only cost me $31 US. In our packaging, we'll find our keyboard and a bag of accessories. These are all the accessories in the box. We start off with a USB wire, unfortunately not braided, a keycap and switch puller, a red switch and a blue switch for some reason, I don't know why, but it came with it. They gave some lube and this really thick brush. As for our keyboard, it's made out of mainly plastic, however it has an aluminium plate, which is this entire thing on top to give it a nice metally look. It is a hot swap hole keyboard with per key RGB and has all the stabilizers you ever need. I wanted to start off by disassembling the keyboard, however I couldn't figure out how to remove the top mount or just get the case apart in general. So yeah, we're just gonna put it back together and start with our stabilizers. This keyboard uses plate mounted stabilizers, so all we have to do is start removing our stabilizers and we can start working on them. We're gonna loop our stabilizers with Krytox 205 Grade 0. For those Singaporeans out there who want to get Krytox, I got them from Shopee. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. So here's a quick sound comparison between a loop and unloop stabilizer. Something cool I realized about this keyboard is that there's actually foam underneath already. Otherwise, we can proceed to throw our stabilizers back on and proceed to work on our switches. For our switches, I decided to go with Echo Ocean Blues. I got them at $9 per box, which is really cheap, and they come in this really nice box. A tip I can give to you guys is that the box that they give you can be used as a loop station, so that is really convenient. The Echo Ocean Blue are a tactile switch. They have a 3-pin configuration and has the standard MX structure. The stock switches actually have a little bit of ping on them, so it's better to just loop them. Here's a quick sound comparison. Now that we're done, we can proceed to throw on all our switches onto our keyboard. Now that we're done with that, we can proceed on to the final step, our keycaps. Somehow my keycap box came like that, but it is the GMK knockoff botanical set. Okay, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As of today, the 20th of July, I managed to hit 10k subscribers, so thank you for that. Do remember that there's still a giveaway going on. I'll link the video up here, I think. All you have to do is go to that video and comment something down below if you are already subscribed. As for those who are interested in getting Taobao products, I'll be linking 2 tutorials for you guys to check out for those in the US region. But for those in the Singapore region, I'll also leave a tutorial down below. So if you guys like this video, you can go ahead and click the like button. You can subscribe for fun. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.